Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana with Creativity Inc. And today in my cave I have a special video for you guys. I have a random act of kindness package from my friend Julia. I'm not going to say her last name because I don't know if she would want me to say her last name in public. But I'm opening it, and of course I'm trying to avoid cutting it, and so guess what I did? I cut it. So I try to do this live, but my camera's mic, something's wrong with it. So here you guys are seeing me doing a voiceover. I am beyond stoked. You guys, I think it's better that you guys don't see me reacting to this live because you guys might think I'm a little crazy. So to say the least, I'm like, haven't even opened the package, and I'm like super stoked about the fabric that it all comes wrapped in. So, um, she included a lot of these vintage, like beautiful pieces, like this. It's a horsehair brush comb. Man, it's just beautiful even to look at, to see. I was so surprised that she had everything like wrapped, and so much detail went into her package. I'm really excited that I got to see this. Um, so there was these little tubes. I had something similar, but it had a little lid on it that I couldn't take off, but it was empty inside. And I wanted to chop it off, but I'm so excited that it wasn't. I mean, that I even lost that thing. But now that I see this, I see so much possibilities with this little like glass. They're actually glass, so I was super excited about that too. So to say the least, I'm very grateful. I'm very excited. You know, Julia went out of her way to make me feel special and blessed with this package. She even gave me this little book. I love that she signed it. You guys know I'm a big fan of signing your artwork and signing your books, especially because they're made with so much love. This little book has so much attention to it. I mean, the corners, the it's just, I mean, it I know, as we all know, as creators, it takes so much to do everything in like normal size. And now thinking like how much time she even spent more on a smaller size. So big props to her that she was able to do this with so much detail, so much thoughtfulness with it. I love the little details of the lace cutouts. I love the lace on the edge of the pages. I love the sticker. I mean, it was just a beautiful piece of artwork, and I definitely would cherish this forever. And I'm so grateful for it. I'm grateful because this is a great what is it called, like act of not act. I don't know what to say the word. See, this is why I don't do lives, because I don't know how to. I forget how to spoke. Right. So this random act of kindness, or other words known as RAK, um, there's just so thoughtful, and it's just it blows my mind how the creative community is so loving and so encouraging and so awesome that with something you can create, you can change somebody's day or week, and look at these little. I think they're made in the U.S., which is something I love, love, love. I love everything made in the U.S. I feel like it embraces our history, and it makes us feel more like we're part of it when we um, cherish these old pieces and even use them again. So we bring them back to life. So I feel like those things are like why I like vintage items as much as I do. And I love how she packaged every little thing with her little tiny bows and her paper. I mean, it was just, I've never received, other than Christmas gifts and birthday gifts, like such a thoughtful gift, And so I'm very encouraged. I'm probably saying at this point, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm going crazy over this package. But anyways, so this piece is a metal piece. It's quite heavy. I love that I can make a mold out of it. You guys seen me in one of my videos in the past. I like to make molds of these. And I like to put them on my books and stuff. And this bracelet, I loved it because I have something very similar, like a black ruler, like one of those vintage old black metal rulers, but I only have like the ring and earring set. I was always thinking like, I wish I had um, a bracelet, and you know, little did I know it was gonna come. So I'm really, really excited. I got those little wooden pieces. I got these little, you know what? I don't know, but they're perfect. So they're like little metal bits, but then at the same time they're rusted, and they're not flimsy. So like I don't know if I would be able to shape them without breaking them, and it would be interesting to play with that kind of motion. In this, I stared at it and I was like, "What is it?" I still don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to look it up because as much as I like old stuff, a lot of the times I don't know how to use them. Like this is one of those little speakers that come in those cards. So I'm thinking it's missing the battery, or I need to figure out how they get used. And I like this because I feel like it's the one that you can record on. Again, just because I feel like I saw a mic on there, and it's more elaborate than the ones I've seen before. So I'm really looking forward to playing with that. I've taken apart my kids' shoes for the little blinkers, so I feel like she's there with me. You know, she's one of my kind of girls, and this is genius. I mean, I just love that she took the time and made this cardboard extra hard, and she coated it so I can use it as a stamp. That's a big background stamp, which I really loved. I love her detail on her paper and how much she took pretty much time, to. It's not, in reality, is the thought behind it, and how much care it went. So like, I can see all her love in packaging and putting things together, and I just really feel encouraged. And she's also a big supporter of my channel. She's giving me comments, and she's always like, when I post things up on the groups, she's always saying that she likes my stuff. And I I really appreciate that about her, and I appreciate that about all of you guys. But um, I feel like, I don't know, she's really sweet. She's this really sweet lady. So if you guys see her on one of the groups, it's Junk Journal Junkies ETC, and yeah. So if you guys see her and see her beautiful creations, you guys will know who I'm talking about. But here goes another package that I almost want to like even reuse all these packaging, because it's just, it would be part of her. And so I'm really encouraged. I'm really, really happy. I was really happy when I saw this. It was just something that I know she can see she's my channel when I see gifts like that, like old broken um, stuff that I love to use. I love to use old tools. So if you guys see my channel, or if you guys seen me using creating stuff before, like, I hardly ever use like something that's new, or like um, I don't buy that much craft products, because I buy and reuse and give the vintage stuff that I had from before, I give it a new life. I love these little pieces of ephemera that I got. It's just, I love how she packaged it in a little cute booklet. And now this is a little plastic mesh, and it drove me crazy. You guys didn't see, I'm telling you, you guys were happy you guys are not hearing all my mumbo jumbo, because I went absolutely crazy over this. I just feel like I can rust this, even though it's plastic. You know how I like to make that rust paste, and so um, I don't know. I'm just excited about it. I recently became a grandma, 2 months ago exactly. So to see crochet things like this, it just inspires me, because I want to learn how to crochet for the baby. I want to crochet him like blankets and stuff. So I don't know. It encouraged me to like pursue that more than I was. So this is me looking at it, staring at it. Didn't know what it was. I'm like, it spins. It has numbers. It has this, and I thought, I didn't know what it was for. I was what is that word? Flabbergasted. See, I can't speak and then yet I throw this big old word at you guys, right? Yeah, no. But I was very surprised. And then, like, the paper that came with it, the instructions. People, this is to make, like, your own font, like letters. I was just like, no way. Like, it's just awesome. I'm really encouraged. I think you guys are going to hear me say that over and over. But I am. I am. I guess this would be an unboxing video. But it's more like a, yay, me, I got something from a friend. And so I'm really encouraged because it's everything that I can use, everything that I was seeing as I was seeing it, I was envisioning using it, I was envisioning like where to put it, how to use it, like different ways that I can see it. And it was just, it made, you know how it is, we get excited and then like every little detail on every little piece. And I was looking at this, I was like, oh man, I can put some bugs in here, or like, some crazy rusted pieces or whatever. And then I see at the top it says textile fibers. But, you can use it for other stuff. But I got excited without reading. I'm a lazy reader kind of person. And I love these little taggies because I automatically saw them on tags. Okay, don't look at my nail polish. Look at the tag. And of course I say don't look at my nail polish, and you guys are going to look at my nail polish. But, yeah, I saw them like on books, on on even to hold the signatures in. That would be cool. I like these I have a lot of these, different ones, and they excite me because I want to buy the little projector for it. One day I will have one, and I want to have a bunch of them. And so I was super excited about getting some of them. And I like this little, like, I think they might have been used for hair. I don't know. But, man, they're so awesome. And this is a big, like, disc with the center hole. But you know what? I see them being used as washers. I think that they would look very cool as washers or washers. And those little stars were made out of metal, so that's cool. I'm wondering if they would rust. It was just an act of love, for reals. This whole package. I love that she sent me this little booklet with little, like, I think they're coupons. And I was like, wait a minute. The book is filled. Would I get something? Just kidding. I don't know. I don't even know if the store still exists, but all of it. I mean, I see myself using all of these in like pages, as ephemera, as decorations, even as inspirations, just to have them to hold. And these seem to be like one of those what is it called, like gold foil like sheets by blue foil. I think that's what it looks like. I don't know, but I'm gonna ask her. I haven't even asked her, but that's what they look like. And I was, imagine blue foiling something. Like, I see that I see me doing that on that metal piece that she gave me earlier. And doing it on that. Now you guys know how much I use wire, right? She watches my channel when she like gives me something so simple but so unique and so special, like a simple piece of wire. And it was just like I was jumping for joy because I'm always picking up wire from the trash and stuff, and to like get it from somebody's like, that gift. So I was super excited, and I'm super excited of what I'm opening right now. Guess what it is? Spoons. Look at this, people. Look at the patina on this. Look it. I mean, you could, as a painter, I love to paint and I always aim for these perfect patinas. But to actually have something that already has it is just, inspiration, people. Right? So I'm really excited. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing of a RAK. Thank you for coming to my channel for this different kind of video. Thank you, Julia, for everything. Till next time, guys. Stay crafting. Bye.